Good morning. Today we will learn the concept of derivative value of a function. আমি আজি অৱকলজৰ ধাৰণাটো শিকিম। অৱকলজৰ ধাৰণাটো শিকিবলৈ প্ৰথমে আমি এটা ফলন লৈ লওঁ। Let us take a function. So y is a function of x. Now if it is a linear function, যদি এটা যদি ৰৈখিক সমীকৰণ হয়, ৰৈখিক ফলন হয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে ইয়াৰ গ্ৰাফ হ'ব linear curve. So graph of this function will be linear curve if it is a linear function. So like this way. So let us take the equation for this graph is y is equal to a plus bx. So this is a linear equation. Why linear equation? Because maximum power of independent variable is, but power of the function is 1. So maximum degree is 1. So here power is 1. So that is why, and here power also is 1. So that is why it is called a linear curve. Say value of x at this point, that is the point A, is x1. A bindut x or value x1. Aru eta point lo jao B. So a B will here x or value say 2. What is the meaning? When we move from point A to B, then value of x is increases from x1 to x2. As a result, value of y has increased from y1 to y2. Now x2 minus x1, so that is the change in x, equal to say delta x. We consider it is a delta x. Similarly, y2 minus y1, that is the change in y, that is delta y. Which portion is? So this portion is. So this portion is the delta x and this portion is delta y. Now divide delta y by delta x. So when we divide it delta y by delta x, that is nothing but the rate of change in y with respect to the change in x. At the same time, see, so that is the what ratio between the change in y and change in x, and that is nothing but the rate of change in y with respect to x. And at the same time, this is also the slope of the curve AB. অর্থাৎ delta y by delta x is also the indicates the slope of this curve. এই কার্ভটার slope slope হুসাই, অর্থাৎ this indicates the slope of this curve. Now for any curve, the change in y, or that is the change in y divided by change in x, gives the slope of the curve, or that is the rate of change in y with respect to the change in x for this example. Now if the function is not linear, now let us take the case if the function is not linear. যদি লিনিয়াৰ হয় যদি লিনিয়াৰ ফাংচন নহয় অৰ্থাৎ নন লিনিয়াৰ হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে the graph of the function will be like this. For example, say this like this. So y is a function of x. Now here we take a point here A. Now see, at this point we draw a tangent which touches, so it is M N. Point should be here A. M N. So similar to this AB line, so this is also M N is another line. The what will be the slope of this curve? If we draw it, say if it is P, then slope of MN will be D of MN is what? NP by MP. Clear? MP. Now let us move from A to B. Another point B and another point say C. So at point A, the value of x is x1. At point B, the value of x is x2. And at point C, the value of x is x3. As a result, here this is a y1. So here as a y2 and here as a y3. When we move from A to B, B to C, then the value of x will be changed from x1 to x2, x2 to x3. So as a result, the value of y will increase from y1 to y2, y2 to y3. Now see, at this point A, when we draw this tangent, then the slope of this curve is NP by MP. That means the slope of this curve at point 8 is this. Same. Okay. Now, if we move from A to C, then we will get this type of curve. Sorry. And when we get, if we calculate the slope, this. Say it is the point E. So at point C, when we move from A to C, then we get the difference between x3 minus x1. Say it is the change in x, and y3 minus y1 is the change in y. Now if we divide it, that is delta y by delta x. So that is the rate of change in rate of change in y with respect to the change in x. Yes. Now see, and this sense is nothing but for point C, we'll get CE divided by AE. Now, if we move from C to B, that is again, if we move from A to B, that is when we move C to A, that is when we reduces the value of x from x1 to x2, then the value of y comes down from y3 to y2. So at point B again we get x2 minus x1 is equal to delta x. If we say it again, change in x, and y2 minus y1, that is the change in y. So here also change in y, change in x is the slope of this curve of AB. So this is how, see here, when we move from x3 to x2, so this way, if we move from this way up to x1, that is when delta x is tends to 0, then delta y tends to what? Y1. That means when we reduces this, then the value will comes here, and that will be the nothing but the equal to the slope of tangent mn. When we move from this, the slope of will be equivalent to this. That is, when we move from x3 to x1, then the tangent will be like this, like this. So this way the slope of the tangent will gradually is decreasing, and ultimately it will be the equal to the approximately equal to the slope of mn. So delta y by delta x, that is the, if we move from this up to 0, then if we take the limit value delta x tends to 0, that is for very small amount of change in x, then this value, that is ratio of the change when delta x tends to 0, that is this will be the equal to the slope of this curve, approximately equal to the slope of this curve. So this is called the derivative value of the function fx, and this is called the dy by dx, or it is called f dash x also, or first order derivative of function fx. Now what is the significance of dy dx? ইয়ার এই অবকলজ dy by dr মানে কি? So this gives us the marginal rate of change, or say rate of change in y with respect to x. So this is nothing but this is the rate of change in y with respect to change in x when there is a very small change in the variable x. So this is the concept of is called the derivative value or অবকলজ value. So this is the idea, or this is the concept of derivative or অবকলজ. Actually the name of this is this portion, sorry, this definition is indicated by this. So geometrically we got that dy by dx is nothing but the slope of the function at a particular point. Now let us define derivative in another way mathematically. So we have taken y is a function of x. I mean y is a function of x বলে আমি ধরে লইছো. আচ্ছা, the value of y is depends on the value of x. If the value of x changes, then the value of y also will change. যদি x এর ভ্যালু যদি পরিবর্তন হয় তেতিয়া হলে y এর ভ্যালু পরিবর্তন হবে. আচ্ছা দেখা যাও x has changes by delta x. So x has increases from x to x plus delta x. As a result, y has increased from y to y plus delta y. Delta y এতে রাখি দিলো f x plus delta x ইয়ার লই গেল y to ইফালে y. So that is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx delta y. Now dividing this equation by delta x, we get delta y by delta x equal to, both sides we have to divide it, x plus delta x, remember fx delta x. Now put the limit value, limit delta y by delta x. So delta x tends to 0. Here we put limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus fx by delta x. So this is nothing but the dy by dx, or this is also f dash x. So finally we got dy by dx is equal to f dash x, is also known as f dash x, is equal to limit value of delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x equal to what we got, limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus fx by delta x. So this is the definition of derivative. এটুৱে কোৱা হয়, এটুৱে হল অবকলজৰ সূত্র. এতিয়া এই সূত্র ব্যবহার কৰি আমি বিভিন্ন ধৰণে যিকোনো ফাংশনৰ অবকলজৰ মান নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব পাৰিম. ধৰা হোক আমি ললো এটা অন্য এক্সাম্পল এটা ললো, এক্সাম্পল y is equal to x square. What is the value of dy by dx for this function is equal to what? Simply we calculate the dy by dx using this formula. How? See, let the x be increased up to x plus lambda x, sorry, x plus delta x. So x plus delta x, let us take it, so say like this, whole square. Then y also will increase, say for example delta y. Now what is the value of it? Value is the x square plus twice x delta x dot plus delta x whole square. Now delta y is equal to x square plus twice x delta x plus delta x whole square minus y. So x square plus twice x delta x plus delta x whole square minus what is the y? Again, y is nothing but x square. Well, so delta y. Now put the here, okay. So this will be the cancel because it is positive x square and it is a negative x square. So we get delta y is equal to, see here we have delta x square. So we can take common delta x, so we get twice x plus delta x whole square. Well, so take this portion here, delta y by delta x equal to twice x plus delta x whole square. Now put the limit value of this. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, twice x plus delta x. Okay. One thing is a mistake. This is not square, whole square. This is not whole square. This, okay. This. So here, when we put the limit value, then this will be twice x plus 0. So ultimately we will get twice x. Now, what is the name of this? Name is the dy by dx is equal to what? So dy by dx is equal to twice x. Right? So what is the derivative value of this? Dy by dx is found twice x. So this is about the definition of derivative, and this is how we can use the definition of derivative to calculate the derivative value of any function. Thank you.